came from favelas, living a life like novelas. She getting money, respect. Listen, real bitches, fiesta.
Esta noche tengo.
Hey guys, so today I'm here to talk to you about this beautiful Upart install. Bring back the leave out. So I know it's giving sewing vibes, but it is a Upart wig. So today I'm gonna take you through how I install this unit. This unit, of course, is from no other than the SIREN Wig collection. Remember to check us out on Instagram, check out our website. We'll be launching these wigs soon. This is a beautiful, loose, deep texture, and I'm gonna insert a clip to show you exactly what I was going for, and you'll see, you know, how close I might have gotten or if it's an exact replica of what I was going for. But all in all, I'm very pleased by this install. I know I'm gonna be wearing this for quite a bit. I mean, it's just so easy, it looks so natural, and you know, it's one of the reasons why I decided I needed to switch it up a bit. I've been wearing the frontals, the closures, but I started going back to the gym consistently. And when I go to the gym, like, I really get into it and I'm sweating so much. And you know that the glue is not gonna hold up with all of that sweat. So I really needed something just to, you know, use as a buffer in between. I've been wearing my hair short also, but still the sweat is just so much. So at least with this, I'll only have a bit of my hair left out. So it shouldn't be too much in terms of maintenance or anything like that. And you know, Uparts are really affordable too. So that's another plus if you're looking for another protective style. You know, and of course my hair is just under here. It's not being troubled too much. Please, if you find any value in this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate it. And also just please go check out our website, see if there's anything on there that you like, and let's get into this install. Parts are coming back in. I don't know why they were ever out, but this is how they look on the inside. You have two combs right here that you're gonna use to attach, and then of course you have some combs on the side too, and yeah, you have a comb down here also. And then if you even look at the stitching on the inside, you're getting quality stitching. So you know, this Upart is gonna be one that you'll get your money's worth out of, you know. And then just look at the quality of the hair. It's so soft. Like, I can't wait. I'm so excited to install this. So this is the basic setup, guys. I know it's looking kind of crazy, but remember, my hair is shorter, so I don't need to be doing all of the cornrows or anything. It's gonna lie flat. You just need a flat foundation, and I'm wearing a curly wig, so it doesn't even need to be that flat, to be honest. You kind of want some amount of volume. You should have two anchor braids. So I have one right here. Don't mind the braids. Look at my nails. I couldn't do much more. So you need one anchor braid here, one anchor braid here. I have some hair left out in the middle for a middle part. And the good thing about this, you can do either a middle or a side. You leave out some hair here to basically blend everything in, and then everything else goes per to style on the mannequin head. I'm going for like a blunt look. I'm gonna brush it out so that I can basically get an even cut. When you're cutting curly hair, it's always best brush it out, then you cut, because if not, those curls will be looking crazy. So just brush everything out and then cut it. And it doesn't have to be crazy, you know, technical or anything, or oh, it has to be very straight, because this curly hair, so it's not that serious. Just brush it out and style and look. So the Upart unit comes with a little piece of mesh in the middle. So we're just gonna use our scissors and cut that out. Once we cut that out, then we'll have the unit ready to install. Literally, you don't have to do anything else in terms of prep. So we're gonna use those two combs that are on top right there to secure them on the anchor braid. And then we're going to use the two combs on the sides to secure where our ears would be. And then we'll use the comb in the back to pretty much just tuck it underneath our ponytail. This is a little trick I like to use to get my part super straight. I use like some edge control or some sort of wax just to really get in there, and it really helps to get your part super straight. You guys will see the difference. To get my leave out to blend, I pretty much just plait it after I've applied the mousse, and then I leave it there for a bit to dry so it can get somewhat of like a crimped effect so that it will blend better with this texture. Here is the finished look, guys. I am in love. Easy breezy, beautiful. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video, and don't forget to give me some thumbs up and like. See you next time.
Go.